everybody! Today, let's make kimchi with bok choy, kimchi. Any grocery store, you can find bok choy very easily. When you make a kimchi with bok choy, really delicious and crispy and juicy. So, this is bok choy kimchi that I made 4 days ago. I am at the beach house. I got this bok choy from just local grocery store. 2 pounds, a little more than 2 pounds of bok choy, and let's make a kimchi. This is very easy and fast kimchi. There's a lot of kind of a sand between this. We gotta rinse this in cold water and also salt. We need to give them a shower. The salt, for 2 pounds of bok choy, I use 1/4 cup, which is 4 tablespoons. It's like this. Every 10 minutes, I'm going to turn it over so that all this is salting very evenly. So meanwhile, let's prepare the kimchi paste seasonings. Green onion, 2 green onion, carrot, the small carrot, and this onion, 1 onion, medium size, and 4 garlic cloves. Okay, garlic and onion, and slice very thin. And green onion. Look at that, like this. And carrot. This is my half cup. See, I'm going to add this one here. So let's mix this again. Turn it over. This guy I brought from home. This is 3 crab fish sauce, my favorite, and 1/4 cup. Korean hot pepper flakes, gochugaru, 1/4 cup. So mix. Split this onion slice. Later, we can mix it with the bok choy. Now, 30 minutes, whole total time. Look at this, a lot of, already withered, like this. I'm going to wash very nicely. Wash at least 3 times. This house doesn't have a basket. So fish market guy, I know his phone number. I called him. So do you have a basket or any strainer? And then he said, yes, I have. And then can I borrow? Sure. So I went there. And he showed me like this kind of a large size, huge fishes. It look like a cone shape, And then, oh, this one I have. Oh, no. Do you have any basket, small basket? And he says, oh, we don't have, that's all. And then, wait a minute, I saw that he's also selling some onions and potato. And I saw this onion kind of a box. I can use it for strainer. So can I borrow this? And he said, sure. And they brought in, I just wash this. I like to, pay back something because he helped me for this video. I asked him, do you love kimchi? I assumed that everybody loves kimchi. These days, especially whenever I meet anybody, I never seen anybody say I don't like kimchi. And he said, no, I don't like kimchi. I met eventually somebody who doesn't like kimchi. So now I'm going to mix this. Put it here. You can just eat right after making, and with really warm rice, really delicious. And also, if you want to ferment quickly, leave this outside the fridge. And a couple of days later, smells like sour, tastes sour. Then that's all well fermented. Then transfer to refrigerator, and then keep eating until it runs out. Personally, I love the freshly made kimchi, just like a stuffed cucumber kimchi. So let me taste. Crunchy. Now you can make bokchoy kimchi, 청경채 kimchi. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time.